Hey filmmaker, Chung here. Welcome to another quick tutorial inside of DaVinci Resolve. We are going to teach you how to make a text, how to add a background, and also a transition dissolve to review and make the text disappear. So now we are inside of DaVinci Resolve. Here we don't see any text tool, so there's no T that you can see. And also inside of the media pool, if we right mouse click here, there's no like create text or anything like a background. So to get a text, we go to effects library, and here inside of toolbox, titles, and here we have all kinds of different kind of text, so you can play around and see what does what. But we're first going to use the normal text, so we're going to drag this text and drag it onto our timeline and actually drag it one layer above after it. So we now have the text. To alter the text itself, we go to inspector here on the top right, and now we can change the text here to subscribe to Chung. So make sure to subscribe, and here we can change the font, din condensed, and the rest of the parameters are pretty much the same. Here on the bottom we have the background, but personally I do not suggest to use this background because it is stuck to the text. If you use the dissolve, it will dissolve this text with, or the text with, the background at the same time. But we don't want that. We want the background to stay in place. So to make a background, we go to generators here on the left, and we go to solid color, and we're going to drag this under the text. And now click it, and inside of inspector we can see there's all kinds of parameters, but the most important one is this black box next to color. Just click it, we get this small window pop up. Normally it'd be on this single color wheel, however I personally don't really like to use this color wheel. I'll rather use this picture. Click this picture and we get this spectrum. It makes it much easier to find the color that you want, and then press OK. And now we can add this resolve. Let's make this text clip a little bit shorter, so we have like a section where there's no text. And to add a dissolve, there's two methods. Either we go to video transitions and we have here dissolve. We can select this additive dissolve and drag it onto the beginning of the clip or the end of the clip. And now we can see there is a dissolve review. But also we can right mouse click at the ends of the clip and do a cross dissolve like this. Now we can play this and see it disappear. So now when we play it in full, we can see it appear and disappear. So that was mainly it. I hope you guys find this video quite useful. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys the next time. Bye bye.